Welcome our new viewers and to our returning viewers. Welcome back. Today we're making some crispy pressed plantain, soft on the inside and crunchy on the outside. So to start, you need three simple ingredients: the green plantain, of course, some vegetable oil, and some salt. So you want to ensure that you oil your hands with some oil to prevent the hands from staining. Afterwards, we're going to slice the plantain. I like to slice mine in very thick slices, very chunky. So you might be wondering, so if you slice them so thick and so big, how we are gonna get them to cook properly? So today I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So just sit back and enjoy the video. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you're new and you haven't yet done so, and let's comment down below. Let us interact in the comment section what you would pair this green plantain with, or what you normally have your pressed green plantain with, and also if this is the method that you use to fry your green plantain. Just comment down below and let us know. After slicing the plantain, we're going to go ahead and add some salt. Some people normally add the salt after the plantain is fried, but I like to add the salt to the plantain before they are fried. So you're just going to sprinkle the salt lightly on the plantains and distribute the salt all over. Afterwards, we're going to add the plantain to the hot oil. Allow them to cook on both sides until they're cooked evenly, straight through. Then we're going to reduce the flame to very low, your lowest flame. Cover the pot and allow the plantain to steam right through. So when you pierce the fork through the plantain, it must go straight through, right, with ease. So that's how you would know that the plantain is well steamed and cooked evenly. After steaming and frying the plantain, you're just going to use that plantain peel and press the plantain. Guys, this hot, so be careful. You could go ahead and also squeeze it on top of the counter, but me that play a hero, right? So that's how it is looking. So we're just going to continue to press all the plantains. So we're all done. So this is how it is looking. We're going to transfer to the hot oil. So at this stage you want to increase the flame to medium, from medium to about high. But if you're putting it on high, ensure that you don't take your eyes off a plant, because you know you go and say turn your back, plant and burn up. So just keep your eyes on the plantain. At this point we want to get the outside of the plantains crispy, soft on the inside but crispy on the outside. So we're achieving the crunchiness on the outside now. So you turn your flame medium to high, watch the plantains and turn them on both sides once they're crunchy on the outside. So that's what we're maintaining here. Okay guys, so they're looking very good, very golden brown. So we're just going to remove them from the pan, put them on some paper towel, let it drain that oil, and then we're going to serve with some sardine. Comment down below and let me know what you have your pressed green plantain with. Me love pressed green plantain with sardine or fried eggs, anything at all. Even some tin boom, some flash out tin mackerel, that nice too. Yeah, and even ackee and saltfish, you bad with ackee and saltfish too. Guys, comment down below and let me know what you enjoy your pressed green plantain with, right? So this is how they're looking. Let me know if you enjoy this video. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, comment down below, and subscribe if you're new and you haven't yet done so. Guys, we have to taste one of them plantain here if you see what I go on. Very crunchy on the outside, soft on the inside, and very irresistible. I hope you enjoy that video, yeah, cause guys, we had to dive in one of those pressed crunchy green plantain. Watch what I go on. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Check these videos out.